her staff in hand, her power to defend shown. Thunder rumbles, yet no lightning breaks the sky. A silent sentinel, in the dark she stands high. Through the forest deep where shadows play, Caleb hears a whisper, a call to obey. She follows the echo through the mist and the gloom, seeking the truth to keep the realm from doom. Thunder without sound, Caleb's call so strong, her power to protect, in the silence it belongs. Guardian of the realm, with every step she goes, in the quiet storm her truth will grow. In the silence Maiden's voice is heard, guiding light in darkness with her power pure. Through the trials she stands firm and true, for the instinct she'll never stray from the view. Beneath the moonlit sky, Caleb's path is clear, her journey's purpose to bring peace near. With every step, the thunder echoes low, a promise to the realm, she'll never let it go. In the dawn's first light, Caleb returns home, with the truth in hand, her mission done. Thunder still without sound, her pyre unseen, yet felt by all in the realm serene. In the quiet moments when the world is still, Caleb's presence whispers in the calmest will. Her silent strength, a beacon of hope, in the stormy nights her truth won't cope. Thunder make a sound, Caleb's voice will folk, her power to protect, in the silence found, guardian of the realm.